This is the first video of Nene and Lulu toys. We're gonna be opening two toys today and then playing in this pet shop house. And first, I'll open my blind bag and my kitty in my pocket. So first, Lulu will open hers. No, yeah. Okay, I'll do it. This is a checklist. Can I hold it? Sure. I'm gonna hold it for you. Ooh, look what doggy I got. Ooh, look it on the thing. You got that one. Cool. What is his name? Let me find out. Here, let me try. Let me look on the checklist. That's a cute, really puppy. That's a really cute. This is Annie. Annie, on the checklist, it's right there. Now let me open my kitty in my pocket. Now let me open my kitty in my pocket. Wow, this is a cute kitty. Look at my kitty. And we're going to be playing with them. And here's my checklist. Let's see what name her kitty is. So this one's right here. I got. Where's my kitty on here? I'll try and look. Oh, look. I really want a kitty. I would want it. Can I look at your kitty? Can I look at your kitty? No, I'm okay. Hold it. It's a kitty and a puppy in my pocket. This kitty is so cute. And now we're going to be playing with them. Meow, meow, meow. What is that sound? Meow, meow. I'm going to come and visit. I don't know who you are. I'm your friend. I don't know who you are. I promise I'm nice. Ah, I'm nice. Anytime the elevator came down. There's my kitty. Let's see. What? Under there. Uh-oh, she's coming out here. I promise I'm nice. What? You're nice? Are you going to kill me? No, I'm not going to kill you. Okay. That's good. Will you be my friend? Yes. Now let's try. My name is Annie. What's your name? I don't know my name. Well, let's look in your spot to see. I also really wanted that one. Cool. Let's try and find your name. What is this name? Oh, it's this one. It's Maxwell. Maxwell. No, what is this one? This one's Dylan. This is Maxwell. Oh, hi Maxwell. No, what's that one? That one is Tessie. Okay, what is that one? Okay, that is Patches. Patches? Okay, so what? My name is Patches. Oh, hi Patches. I'm Annie. I like your name. Do you like my name? Yeah. Watch how I climb up this. I'm gonna try and climb up. I'm gonna fall. Wait, no, I'm fine. I'm gonna try. Well, there is this treasure chest. This thing. This thing that my mom did. And she gave me this chest, and it gives us adventures. Let's try and go on one. Oh, felt buddy.